Hello, boys and girls. In lesson 5.8, we're going to calculate interest and simple interest by using the formula. Let's begin by looking at a problem. Patricia saved $12,000 in her bank account. Her account interest rate is 4.25%. What will her balance be after her interest rate is applied? We will be answering questions like this in lesson 5.8. So let's take a look at what interest is. Interest is the amount of money the bank pays you for the use of the money in a savings account. That money that's in a savings account is called principal. Principal is the original amount of money that you either borrowed or invested. Simple interest is money paid or earned for the use of money. So to find simple interest, we would follow the formula I is equal to P times R times T. So let's see what each part of this formula stands for. The I is for interest that is earned or paid. The P is the principal, the amount that was either invested, such as in a savings account, or borrowed, such as in a car loan. The R is the rate in decimal form for that interest. And then the T stands for time in years. It is very important that you understand that the time is represented as years. So let us take a look at this particular example and solution. Nicole wants to invest in the Coach franchise. She needs to borrow $200,000 from a bank at a simple interest rate of 5% over 10 years. How much interest will she pay on the loan? So if we substitute and solve, then we will substitute the P for the 200,000 because that is the amount that is going to be borrowed. The simple interest rate is 5%. As a decimal, it is written as 0.05. And then T represents the time, which is 10 years, so multiply that by 10. When we do the multiplication straight across, we would have 200,000 times 0.5 times 10 equals 100,000. So let's explore. Simple interest is I equals P times R times T. So we will substitute given values into the formula and solve for the missing variable.